Cold starts are a critical stage in the life of your engine. Many drivers make mistakes that can severely damage their vehicles over time. It is important to understand why cold starts require specific precautions. When the engine is cold, the oil is more viscous and takes longer to lubricate internal components, increasing the risk of wear. Here are 5 common mistakes to avoid to protect your engine. The first mistake concerns diesel engines, neglecting the preheating process. Many drivers ignore the preheating indicator, but starting the engine without waiting for it to turn off leads to improper fuel combustion, accelerating engine clogging. It is essential to follow this process to protect the injectors and extend the engine's lifespan. The second mistake is accelerating immediately after starting the engine. This reflex is often seen as a way to quickly warm up the engine, but it puts excessive pressure on internal components while the oil has not yet circulated. Letting the engine idle for a minute is a better approach. The third mistake is letting the engine warm up while stationary for several minutes. Contrary to popular belief, this does not efficiently warm up the engine and can lead to carbon deposits. To warm up the engine quickly, it is better to drive gently. The fourth mistake is neglecting the condition of the battery, especially in winter. A weak battery can make starting difficult, strain the starter, and affect the injection system. Regularly checking the battery is essential, particularly during cold periods. Finally, using an engine oil unsuitable for low temperatures is a common mistake. Oil that is too viscous takes longer to circulate, increasing the risk of friction and premature wear. It is crucial to choose oil suited to your region's climate and to follow the manufacturer's recommendations. In summary, these 5 mistakes may seem insignificant, but they have significant consequences for your engine's longevity and performance. By adopting proper practices, you will not only extend your engine's lifespan, but also save on costly repairs. These tips apply to all drivers who want to preserve their vehicles.